Hello, walking tour of the Westin Lake Las Vegas Resort and Spa. So this is the drive towards Westin, and this is the parking area for guests. And the building at the end, that is the Westin Lake Las Vegas. Looks like they also have a building on the left, which might be a function area or a banquet hall. So, so before we go inside the Westin, let me cut through this parking lot and I'll show you that Lake Las Vegas is already on the far right. So they have golf carts here, golf carts or mini rides that guests can use because it looks like there's a lot of golf courses here at Lake Las Vegas. Okay, so this is a golf course. So there are houses here. These are residences at Lake Las Vegas. Yep. This is a golf course, but it also has walking path and that is already Lake Lake Las Vegas right there. Okay. And there are the people who are golfing. So let's go here. My wifey already went ahead inside to check in to the hotel room, or I can meet her at the hotel lobby. So it is not a very tall hotel, not like at the strip. So they have reserved parking for handicap. And also a reserved parking for City of Henderson Fire Police Department. Okay. I think this might be their shuttle, Westin Hotels and Resorts. Okay. Oh, this is the roundabout wherein people could drop off and then they could go in and check in. Yep. All right. So this is the fountain on the roundabout, and that is where one would be coming in to drive. Oh, that I think that's this looks like a shuttle because it has the Westin one license plate. This is Westin Lake Las Vegas. So let's see, push to open. Oh, okay. Oh, and here's the wifey. Hello, wifey. So did you check in already? Yes. Oh, we're checked in already? Okay, so let me just go around here. So this is the hotel lobby right here, the hotel registration. Yeah, looks nice. All right. Oh, and also this nice lobby. Oh, and then they have water here with lemon. All right. So yeah, the doggy. Let's see. Oh, can I see the doggy has for free water? So is this the elevator right here? Okay, right here. What floor are we in? Sixth floor. All right. Oh, let's look at here. So this is the hotel elevators. So okay, so let me just. Oh, this is the first floor. Looks like they have. Okay, this is where the ice dispenser for this floor, and then they have a vending machine. All right, looks like we have. Oh, there's an elevator here, honey. Right here, elevators. So let's see. Yep. Ah, okay. So let's go ahead. All right. So there you go. Okay, so it doesn't say what floor we are. Oh, we are on the fourth? Oh, lobby meeting rooms is at the floor, so we only have to go. I guess the entrance is on the fourth floor. Yes, because it looks like they have underground to like lower levels. All right, so this is this is where the elevator. So this is the hallway. So ice vending. Ah, okay, so here's the ice and vending machine for our floor. Right. Oh, it's out of order though. All right. Looks like we're close to the exit. Looks like we're close to the exit. Huh. Oh, wow. This is all right. Let's see how it looks. Ooh. So this is the room here at the Westin Lake Las Vegas. So it has mini tables right there. And then side tables. This is a king size bed. And a chair. There's a door maybe if it's connecting to the other side. If you have family members who are renting and you want to have connecting rooms. And so, oh, oh, there it is. All right, so that is the mini coffee maker, ice bucket, a mirror, and then So we will see here they have the, okay, so closet with the, so it has the luggage holder. Yep. Let's see on the other side. Okay, so it has the, that's the iron and the ironing board. And can you open that, honey? Yes, can we see where? Oh, okay, that's the mini fridge. Oh, okay. Can you open the other one, honey? Let's see. Oh, okay. Just a place to put stuff, and then that is a big mirror, and then this is the room shower. Let's see. Bathroom shower. Okay. Ooh, that's nice. And then it has the shower. Okay, so it is a waterfall shower, and then no bathtub. Okay, and it has the other, like, face wash, body wash, lotion. Yep, and then soap, and then they have the towels, and then the hair dryer, an extra toilet paper, and then this is the toilet. All right, and then this is the display that, or frame that they have here, and towel holders. All right, this is a nice bathroom mirror, and it also has the mirror for the ladies if they want to put on makeup. All right. Okay, and looks like if you want to order, it's a TV and then the remote. So with the office desk that they provide, they have drawers to put in clothes, and also trash and recycle bins, and that is the chair and the home office desk. Let's look at the view right here. As usual, they have charging stations right here that you could see right here. USB and also regular plugs. At the headboard of the king size bed, it has reading lights wherein you turn it on and it can pivot to the direction where you are sleeping, lying down, or sitting up to read while your partner sleeps on the other side, or also might be reading, because it also has a reading light on the other side. So that is a convenient feature of the king size bed that they offer here. Then let's see what is the view here. Oh, okay. So the view is the parking lot. Okie dokie. Then you could see the you can see the golf course on the left, and then the parking lot in the center, and yeah, on the right, that is the driveway to the main entrance of the Westin. This is the parking lot, and on the left is the golf course. All right. Okay.
And there's complimentary post-it notes.
All right. So the wifey said that there's complimentary post-it notes. Okay, let me see. Okay, so that's what she's showing. So there is the instructions, Westin store, a pen, and a complimentary post-it notes. All right. Go to the fitness center here at Westin Lake Las Vegas. Okay, so this is the Westin workout fitness. Okay, to access 24-hour access. So, yeah, that's how it looks. All right, so it's a small workout area. Let's see. Okay, so okay, so this is the workout area here at the Westin Lake Las Vegas. All right. Okay. Okay, it's small. And yeah, so this is the workout area here. Has water, lifts, and the training zone right here. We have this here. Dumbbells and lifts. All right. Okay. Okay, and it's just close to the elevator. So that is the workout fitness area here at the Westin Lake Las Vegas. All right. So this is the walking tour here at Westin Lake Las Vegas. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please watch the next video and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you on the next video.